Sanskriti from Crazy Reels from Amazon. So guys, as you know, this video is for deals एंड फॉर प्रोडक्ट्स जो डिस्काउंट में हैं. सो गाइज, अभी मैंने रिसेंटली पोस्ट किया है कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स, ऑफकोर्स हैंडबैग्स, दैट टू बैकपैक्स, जो भी डील्स हैं उनमें वो आप चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू बिफोर ऑल्सो दैट कि कुछ डील्स, कुछ प्रोडक्ट ऐसे होते हैं जिसपे डील्स थोड़े लंबे टाइम के लिए भी चल सकते हैं. लिमिटेड एडिशन डील्स भी होते हैं, या प्राइस डिस्काउंट में चेंज, बट देयर मे बी इट्स नॉट दैट कि डील सिर्फ पर्टिकुलर डे के लिए है. कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स पे होती है, दैट्स फॉर श्योर. सो लेट्स चेक दिस वन आउट. ओके, वी टैप ऑन दिस. हम सीधे डायरेक्ट हो जाएंगे. राइट, एज यू कैन सी दिस 63% ऑफ ऑन दिस प्रोडक्ट. यू कैन चेक द इमेजेस हियर. राइट, ओके. सो as we see here, this you can save rupees 2326, but on the other color there is more amount that you can save, that is 2544, and the other color is not available. So yes, मैंने पहले भी बताया है, कलर वेरिएशन, साइज वेरिएशन के वजह से भी डिस्काउंट में डिफरेंसेस हो सकते हैं. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो चेक दी ऑफर्स एंड information, similar products, you can also compare. So this was it. Let's go back. Okay, so as you can see, I posted 2 days back, but the price one. So आप ये भी देख सकते हैं, इसमें different products हैं, different brands के products हैं, like Caprice, Levi. As you can see, there is 54% off on this product. You can check the images here. Right, you can save rupees 2090. Right. ऑफकोर्स अगर आप प्राइम मेंबर हैं और अगर किसी आप मेट्रो सिटी में रहते हैं तो ऑफकोर्स यू कैन गेट दी प्रोडक्ट वेरी अर्ली. बट अगर आप प्राइम मेंबर हैं थोड़ी सी नॉन मेट्रो सिटी में तो इट मे टेक सम टाइम, बट या it will be fast than a normal delivery. So right, so there is no other variant, I guess, and as you can see the price is updated. So okay, let's check this one. There is 61% off on this product. You can check the images. Right, you save rupees 2749 on this product, and rest is same information. You mail whatever things and the little information and detailed information about the product. Right, let's go back. And I think the price is also updated here also. Yeah, almost updated. There is not much difference. As I told you, थोड़ा डिस्काउंट वैल्यू में डिफरेंस हो सकता है. सो अगेन अनदर प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम लेनो पेरिस. राइट, अनदर प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम कैप्रीस. अनदर ब्रांड. Okay, there is 57% off on this product. I can check the images. You are saving 1436 on this product. Before it was rupees 2499, and now you are getting this on 1069. So no other variant, but you can check more different products and detailed information about the product down below. So let's go back. Right, yeah, the price is updated here. So again Levi, again Caprice. There is American Tourister bag. This is 40% off on this product, and you are getting this product for rupees 989, and it was worth rupees 1850, and you are saving 861 rupees. A good offer. There are different offers that you can avail. Of course payment options में भी आपको बहुत options मिलने लग गए हैं. You can also compare from the products. अगर एक से ज़्यादा sellers हैं तो आप prices check कर सकते हैं, डिलीवरी भी check कर सकते हैं. Sometimes किसी की डिलीवरी ज़्यादा होती है, किसी की कम होती है, so it may cost the same. But yeah, you must check out if there are 2 or 3 sellers. Right, so as you can see the price is updated. So now Baguette, of course Baguette के bags तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही famous हैं, and I guess it's more or less for me they are very reasonable. And अब तो बहुत सारे और ऑप्शंस भी आ गए हैं, बहुत कंपटीशन है, बट यस स्टिल Baguette bags are very I must say durable, and for long term use they are very good. From my personal experience. So you're saving, of course, there's 50% off, so you're saving the same amount, but yeah, when you're getting things for 50%, then कौन नहीं लेना चाहेगा. So I guess you like the product, you must check it out. And information, detailed information, you can also buy certain things with it. You can check different products, similar different products, right? So this was back it. Now of course Levi ka so guys, this is Levi 30 liters purple casual backpack. So guys, as you can see, there is 49% off on this product, and you can check out the images, all the bags you can check here, and the color is also very pretty. The worth was 4960, but you are saving 2411 and you are getting this product for 2549. that is almost just 50% off on this product. You can check out the offers, little information and detailed information down below, and similar products, similar collections, similar bag collection, right? You can also compare it with different products. So this was Levi's bags of collection of bags, sorry, right? And as you can see, the price is updated here, even though the deal is a little old, but as I have told you, डील्स लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए भी होते हैं, कुछ लिमिटेड एडिशन डील्स होते हैं. सो ओके, लेट्स चेक दिस वन. फॉसिल कैमिला 10.74 liters पर्पल कैजुअल बैकपैक. So as you can see, there's 50% off on this product. The worth was rupees 14,295 and you are saving 7148, and you are getting this product for rupees 7147. You can check the images, you can check the offers, right? You can also check the different prices offered by different sellers. So as you can see, there are two different options you can buy from. You can also check out the delivery and the offers with it, right? As you can see, there are many different more products, and there are different prices and different similar products, I mean. So as you can see, the price is updated here. So guys, these are the few of the backpack collections, backpacks जिन पे deals थे. If I'll get more, I'll definitely add more, but if you are looking for products with great discounts, branded products with great discounts, then this is the good find for you. Means you are getting a branded product with a good deal, so just go for it. So I'll add more if I'll find more. So guys, I hope you like these products. So this was Thomas Sanskriti from Crazy Deals. Please guys, stay tuned. Thank you. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and do follow Crazy Deals on Facebook. And guys, I hope you are vaccinated totally. So stay calm, stay healthy. Toodles.